Do you feel like you are learning English, but you still cannot speak well? Do you study every day, but you forget everything quickly? Do you understand English sometimes, but you cannot answer when speaking? You are not alone. Many people around the world feel exactly the same way. They spend months or even years trying to learn English. But something is wrong. It is not because you are not smart. It is not because English is too hard. It is because you are making mistakes. Small mistakes that slow your progress. Today, we will fix that. In this video, you will learn the most common mistakes learners make, and more importantly, you will learn how to fix them. Simple, clear, and easy. No difficult grammar. No complicated methods. Just real English for real life. If you follow these steps, you will feel more confident. You will speak more naturally, and you will improve faster. So take a deep breath. Relax your mind, and let's start learning slow English the right way today. Stay until the end because mistake number 1 is the most important. Hello and welcome back to practice today. Take a deep breath and relax your mind. Today we talk about learning alone. How to practice English by yourself. Many learners feel they have no partner. They feel they cannot practice speaking. They think they need someone to speak English every day. But this is not true. You can learn very well alone. Learning alone is very powerful. If you use the right method, you do not need many people. You only need daily practice. The first step is using your voice. Do not stay silent when learning. Many learners read silently. They do not speak out loud. This slows their speaking ability. Your mouth needs daily training. Speak out loud every day, even if you are alone. Say simple sentences clearly. Use your voice slowly. For example, say, "I am at home." Or say, "I am drinking water." Simple speaking is enough. Do not make it complicated. The next step is self-talking. Talk to yourself every day. This may feel strange at first, but it is very effective. Describe what you are doing. Say, I am cooking now. Or say, I am walking outside. Use simple daily sentences. This builds strong speaking habit. Habit creates real improvement. Another method is shadowing practice. This is very powerful for learners. Listen to simple English audio. Then repeat what you hear. Speak together with the speaker. Follow the rhythm and tone. This trains your listening and speaking. At the same time, choose easy and clear content. Do not start with difficult audio. Repeat many times every day. Each time you improve more. Another important method is thinking. Think in English every day. Do not translate every word. This makes speaking very slow. Start with simple thoughts. Use short and clear sentences. For example, say, I am tired. Or say, I need water. Think about your daily actions. Use English in your mind. This builds natural speaking ability. Your brain will change slowly. Another method is recording your voice. This is very useful. Speak and record your voice. Then listen again carefully. You can hear your mistakes and improve step by step. Do not worry about your voice. Focus on improving slowly. Recording helps you see progress. Over time, you become better. Another important step is repetition. Repeat sentences every day. Do not learn once and stop. This is a big mistake. Repeat again and again. Your brain needs repetition. Each repetition builds strong memory. You remember more easily. Do not feel bored repeating. This is real learning. Another method is using daily life. Use English in your environment. Look around and describe things. Say what you see. For example, say the sky is blue. Or say the room is quiet. Use simple and clear sentences. Do not make long sentences. Daily life is your classroom. You can practice everywhere. Another important step is building habit. Habit is very powerful. Without habit, you stop easily and lose your progress. Build a small daily routine. Keep it simple and easy. Practice at the same time daily. This helps your brain remember. Even 10 minutes is enough. Small time still gives results. Habit makes learning automatic. You do not need motivation. Another important idea is patience. Learning takes time. Many learners want fast results. They feel frustrated quickly. But progress is slow and steady. You improve little by little. Every day you practice, you become better. Do not compare with others. Focus on your own journey. Everyone learns at different speed. Your path is your own. Another important point is confidence. Confidence grows with action. Do not wait to feel confident. Start speaking now. Each time you speak, you feel stronger. Small success builds confidence. Step by step every day. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. They show what to improve. They are part of progress. Another method is keeping things simple. Do not make learning complicated. Use short, simple sentences. This is very important. Simple English is very powerful. It helps you speak clearly. Do not try advanced sentences. Focus on basic communication. Clear message is enough. People will understand you. Another important step is staying consistent. Consistency is the key. Many learners stop and start. They do not stay consistent. This breaks their progress and slows their learning. Practice every day, even little. Consistency builds strong habit. Small daily effort adds up. Over time, you improve greatly. Another method is enjoying learning. Make your learning enjoyable. Choose topics you like. This keeps you motivated. Do not force yourself too much. Keep learning light and easy. Enjoyment helps you continue. And stay consistent. When you enjoy learning, progress becomes natural. Another important idea is using simple tools. You do not need many apps. Use 1 or 2 tools only. Keep your system simple. Too many tools create confusion. Simple system works better. Focus on practice, not tools. Practice gives real results. Now let us review everything. You can learn English alone. Speak out loud every day. Do not stay silent. Talk to yourself daily. Use simple sentences. Use shadowing method. Listen and repeat. Think in English slowly. Do not translate everything. Use your daily life. Describe what you see. Repeat again and again. Build strong memory. Record your voice sometimes. Improve step by step. Build a small habit. Practice every day. Stay patient and consistent. Do not give up early. Keep learning simple. Do not overcomplicate. Enjoy your learning process. Stay positive every day. If you follow these steps, you will improve your English. You will speak more naturally. You will feel more confident. Now take a deep breath. Relax your body. Speak again and follow me. Slow and clear together. Practice this every day, and you will see real progress.